Okay, now whenever they ask you to sketch, okay,
Yeah.
so what you need to do is for this line, you find out the x-intercept and the y-intercept.
Uh,
So you're sketching this line, you find out the x-intercept. To find out the x-intercept,
you would have to plug in y as 0.
plug in y as 0 in the equation. So
So
3x plus 0 is equal to 10.
Yeah.
So 3x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 over 3. That's how much?
That is
3 3 is 9, correct? 0.33.
Yeah.
Correct? So basically your point is 3.33 comma 0.
Yeah.
That's your x-intercept.
Yeah.
The next other point, you need 2 points basically to get a line.
Just 2 points.
2 points are enough to determine a line.
Okay.
Now how do you find the y-intercept?
Y-intercept, you plug as x is 0.
Put in x as 0. So
0
plus 5y. 3 times 0 is 0, yes.
So y
So
is
5y, yeah. So y is equal to 2. So that means 0 comma 2.
0.
So what you need to do is plot in 0 comma 2. 3.33. So this is 3 somewhere in between. So 3.33 is little beyond that.
Yeah.
Correct?
And it's a linear line.
And you draw a line passing through that.
Yeah.
Passing through both these.
And then 6x plus 10y is equal to 10. You have to graph it on the same.
Now what you can do is for the second line, yeah, we can graph it on the same line. But first thing you need to see is, can you reduce this equation thrown by something?
Yes, we can divide it by 2.
So if we divide it thrown by 2, what happens?
It becomes
2 3s are 6, 2
3x
5
plus 5y is equal to 15.
So is it the same line? It's not the same line.
It's not the same line, it's different.
Correct. But how is it related to it? So now you sketch it.
Yeah.
So how do you find out the x-intercept?
So you would plug in y as 0.
So 3x is equal to 15. Correct?
Yeah, which so x equal to 5.
So x is equal to 5.
5 comma 0.
5 comma 0. Yeah.
And then now you plug in
y-intercept?
Y-intercept, you plug in x is 0. So it becomes
5y is equal to 15.
5y is equal to 15, so y is equal to 3.
So 0 comma 3.
Yeah.
So that means if you have this, what can you say about these lines?
They're both linear lines.
And they're parallel to each
They're
other.
parallel to each other, yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So lines are parallel.
Right.
Okay. So first you write y is equal to mx plus b.
And then I know that now I need to find my b value.
So here this is minus 4 over 5x plus b. Yes.
And now to find my b value, I have
substitute that.
Substitute these two values, so it becomes
plus b. So 9 is equal to minus 8 over 5 plus b. So 9 plus 8 over 5 is equal to b. 4553. Correct. No, not 0 comma 53. So if x is 0, your y will be 53 upon 5.
Yeah, sorry.
So 0, yeah. And then what else will you take your x as?
We can do 1.
1. So y is equal to minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. 53 upon 5. That's 49 over 5. So 1 comma 49 over 5. You can substitute any value of x. I mean, it doesn't matter. You can put 100 also.
Yeah.
They
Anything.
Yeah, this is a general form.
Yeah, this is general form, right?
What is the slope of this line?
The slope of this line.
Now to find the slope of the line in general form, you first rewrite it in y is equal to mx plus c form.
Right.
Then make y the subject.
Yeah.
So 7y is equal to minus 2x plus 10. So y is equal to minus 2x, yeah, and 10 over 7. You divide by 7.
So it becomes y.
So what is the slope of this line?
One sec.
Minus 2 over 7, the coefficient of x. Don't put x. Yeah. What are the 2 or 3 points that lie on it? You can take any value.
Any value, so you can plug in any x value.
So if I take y as 0, you'll get 2x is equal to 10.
So x is equal to 5.
So 5 comma
0. And then we can do.
You can take any.
X is 2.
You can take any value. X is 2. So suppose if we take x as 2, I took y as 0 because 2 and 10 were divided.
Yeah.
So if I take x as 2, then 2 2s are 4 plus 7y is equal to 10.
Yeah.
So 7y is equal to 6.
So 6 over
Y is equal to
y
6
is
over 7. So 2 comma 6 over 7 and so on. Basically 2.2 or 3 points. 2 we
Yeah. Find an equation perpendicular to this.
Very
So
important.
Perpendicular.
So what is the slope of the
Wait, let me see.
So what is the slope of the perpendicular line be?
You would flip the sign.
Correct.
And you would bring the top
Negative
the
reciprocal.
number to the top and
Correct,
the
correct. Then negative.
bottom to the bottom.
Yeah.
So
That's
it
called
becomes y is equal to 7 over 2x.
No. Slope. X won't come in.
Oh, so just 7 over 2.
So what you do is you do the negative reciprocal. You reciprocal this and change the sign.
Yeah.
So 7 over 2.
7
Don't put x.
Yeah, I just put 7 over 2.
7 over 2. Correct?
Yeah.
Equation of a line, any line which is perpendicular to this, take any point. So I'll take 5 comma 0.
5 comma 0, yeah.
So y is equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to 7x over 2 plus b.
Yeah.
Correct? Now put 5 comma 0. This is my x, this is my y.
0.
0 is equal to 7 5 are 35 over 2 plus b. So b is equal to what?
35 minus 35 over 2.
So therefore what's the equation of the line? 7x over 2
minus 35.
minus 35 over 2. That's the equation of the perpendicular.
Yes.
So any perpendicular, you can also take one passing through 2 comma 6 over 7.
Yeah.
But this was 0. 5 0 was easier to do.
Yeah. Because 2 3 minus 7.
So A and B, so A is 4
2 minus 4 equal to 10 over minus 3, which equals to minus 5. The slope is
so
minus
3 plus 7 over 2 minus
x plus b. So y is
slope is minus 5.
yeah.
Correct.
B. And then I can plug in the c value to find value of b.
Why C? A and B.
I'm saying this. Oh wait, I could also plug in a, but to find b, what should I plug in? Which a, b, or c?
Not C.
Not
It's
C.
an equation passing to A and B. C has
So it
nothing
has
to do
to
with
be.
it.
So it has to be either a or b.
Either A or B.
Okay.
I would prefer to take B
Okay, that's what I was
because C is not in the picture at all in this part.
Yeah.
So 3 is equal to minus 5 into 2 plus B. So 3 is equal to minus 10 plus B.
Minus 7.
So B is equal to 9, not 7, 13 I got. Check.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot the minus. Sorry. Equation.
Yeah.
Find an equation for the line parallel to AB passing through C.
Parallel to AB means the slope will be the same if lines are parallel.
Yeah.
Whatever
the
the slope of AB, the slope of this line will also be the same.
So it would just be the
So
same
slope
thing.
of parallel line.
Y is equal to
Parallel line
minus
will be what? Minus 5.
X plus B.
So y is equal to minus 5x plus b. But now it's passing through C.
Now I plug in the C.
Now you put in C.
So now it's 4.
Because it's passing through C.
Minus 5 times 3.
Minus 5 times minus 3.
Oh yeah, sorry, minus 3.
15 plus b. So b is equal to minus 11. So y is equal to minus 5x minus 11.
Yeah. This is you do y2 plus y1 divided by
Correct.
2.
Midpoint formula.
Yeah.
So midpoint will be x1. So that's 4 plus 2 over 2. y1 plus y2. So you're looking at AB.
Wait, it's y2 plus y1 over 2.
And x1 plus x2. So your midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2.
Yeah.
And y1 plus y2 over 2.
Yeah, I just wanted to write it. So
Yes. So that's your midpoint formula.
Yeah.
So this is your midpoint formula. It's basically the average of the coordinates.
Yeah.
So your x coordinate is the average of the x, and that's y is the coordinate of the y.
That's right.
And your minus 7 plus 3 over 2. So m is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6.
Yeah.
6 over 2 is 3.
Yeah.
3 and minus 2. That's your answer C.
For that was
So line perpendicular to AB
So that was
and passing through M. So perpendicular. So what is the slope of the line perpendicular to ABB?
1/5.
Correct. Negative reciprocal. Slope of line perpendicular. There's a symbol for perpendicular.
Which one?
Yeah, this one. Inverted T.
Inverted T. Yeah.
Yeah, is 1/5. Correct?
Yeah.
And your point M we got as 3, -2.
Yeah.
That's it. Use that to
You
find
can
it.
just write 1/5. That's enough.
Yeah.
You don't need to write the full equation. Because it says, find an equation.
So what's the formula of the equation?
So y is mx plus b.
Yeah, now it will come on the next line. Nah?
So y is equal to 1/5 plus b. And then you can use
So
the
minus
c
2
value.
is equal to 3/5 plus b. Correct?
Yeah.
So minus 2 minus 3/5 is equal to b. So b is equal to 5 minus 10 minus 13. So the equation is y is equal to x minus x over 5, correct? And this is coming 13/5. So that's the equation of what?
That is the equation of the perpendicular.
Perpendicular. So you did the negative reciprocal.
Yeah.
And you took the point whichever is passing through. It's passing through M. So you take M.
Wait, why is it x? Shouldn't it be 1/5x?
Yeah, x over 5. That's 1/5.
That works.
So 1/5 x is same as x over 5.